Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on jeans that came off one side. First, let's understand the common reasons this happens and what we'll need. Often, the slider gets misaligned or pulled past the bottom stop, causing one side to detach. Don't worry, with a few simple steps and basic tools, you can often restore your jeans to perfect working order, saving you time and money. We'll guide you through the process. Before we begin the repair, gather your tools. You'll primarily need a pair of needle nose pliers. Next, carefully inspect your zipper. Check if all the teeth are present and undamaged on both sides. Also, examine the zipper slider itself. Ensure it isn't bent or cracked. If the bottom stop is missing, you might need a new one, which is a small metal piece that prevents the slider from coming off completely. Now, let's reattach that slider. First, ensure the two sides of the zipper teeth are as straight and aligned as possible. Take the slider and gently guide it onto the side of the zipper that is still attached, pushing it down about 1/4 of an inch. Then, carefully work the detached side of the zipper into the other opening of the slider. It might take a little wiggling, but ensure both sides are evenly seated. With the slider reattached, pull it up about 2 or 3 inches to test its initial hold. If the bottom stop is loose or missing, use your needle nose pliers to gently crimp it securely in place or add a new one. This prevents the slider from coming off again. Finally, zip and unzip your jeans several times to ensure the slider moves smoothly and the teeth interlock perfectly. Your jeans are now ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.